How to turn on or turn off Brave News. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to turn on or turn off Brave News on your browser Brave. So let's start now. First thing we do, we go to Brave, and after that you go to those three dots here down below, click on them, and now go down and down to Brave News, and you will find this option. Now you have the accessibility to enable it or make it off. And yeah, as you can see, you can make it to turn on and choose a source. And yeah, that's it for today's video guys. Don't forget like and subscribe if this video was helpful for you. Thank you.